If you're looking for setting up the cron job, then I believe this video will be quite helpful for you. So before starting creating the cron job, you have to know some basics how to set up the cron job. When we set up the cron job, there will be a file of cron job. It has a specific syntax. So in this syntax, the first element represent minutes, and second represent hours, third represent day of the week, day of the month, and month of the year, fourth one, and five represent day of the week. And then will you specify the part of your script which you want to execute. Here asterisk stand for in case if you don't know, if you want to run script in every minute, then you will use asterisk. If you want to run script on every hour, you will use asterisk, and so on every month, every day, and every week. But in case you want to run the script on specific duration, for example, you want to run the third minute of every hour, every second, or and every day of the week, then you will specify 3 here. If you want to run script on every one of the if you want to specify you run on every 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. of the or you want to run script on 1 a.m., you will write 13 here. And if you want to run script on, for example, first of every month, you will write 1. In case you want to run script on 2 of every month, you will write 2, and so on. And same goes for this. If you want to run script on every third minute, you can use */3, and same */3 for every 3 or same similarly. Now this is how cron job is set up. Let's go to how practically we set up the cron job. In this, here you can see in the VS Code. This is my script, which will run while loop in while loop. It will run while loop and print I am running. And this flush is equal to represent that output should be shown, should be piped when application is running in background. Basically, this is my bash script. I created a bash script. This shebang that shows the path of the bash shell, and then we get the current directory of the script in which script is present. Then this will get the current directory of the script. Then we navigate to the directories, and then we get the absolute path of that directory, and then we will check if process where main.py is running. This is the absolute part of the script. For example, if the script directly represent crontab, then this will represent crontab plus main.py. It will check if the script is running. If script is running, then it will show script is already running. But in case it is not running, then it will run the script. The script is not running, starting new script, and it will store its logs in logs.txt. For example, I delete here logs.txt for now, and this means it will run in the background. We use /= because of to store logs in logs.txt. When we pipe logs in logs.txt, so it will run in background. So how can we set up the cron job? Simply we will clear the terminal. Now we will press the cron tab. It will create a. Now for example, I want to run the script. Copy the path of your bash absolute path and paste it here. I already pasted here. Now I set up the script. What the script will do? Its script will run on every minute, on every day, on every day of the week, day of the month, and every day of the week. Now let's wait for 1 minute. This script will execute after 1 minute. Let's say we have to wait for the 1 minute just till we will get here some output which is representing the logs file. It will create a log file. We are waiting for this script. We have to wait for 1 minute. So just to recap this, that how cron jobs work. Cron job, in here we can specify minutes, hours, day of the month of the year, and day of the week, and part of the script. You can specify multiple cron jobs. Now you can see here's the logs. Here I am running, so it means cron job is running. It will run on every. That's how you can run the cron job. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you.